Modern geography is more than just knowing the names of capitals and countries. It delves into the intricate relationship between humans and their environment. It explores how landscapes shape societies and how societies, in turn, leave their mark on the planet. The quest to understand these complex interactions laid the foundation for the development of modern geography. The 18th and 19th centuries witnessed a surge in exploration, scientific inquiry, and philosophical thought. This period saw the emergence of geography as a distinct academic discipline, moving away from mere cartography and descriptive accounts. Instead, geographers began to investigate the underlying processes that shaped the Earth's surface and the distribution of life on it. This shift towards a more analytical and scientific approach to geography was driven by key figures in Germany, France, and America. Their groundbreaking work laid the foundation for our understanding of the planet and its people. These pioneers of modern geography provided the framework for understanding the world around us, a framework that continues to shape geographical thought today. Germany emerged as a leading force in the development of modern geography. One of the most prominent figures of this era was Alexander von Humboldt, a naturalist, explorer, and geographer extraordinaire. Humboldt's expeditions took him across the globe, from the heights of the Andes Mountains to the depths of the Amazon rainforest. Humboldt's approach to science was deeply intertwined with his travels. He meticulously recorded his observations, collecting an astounding amount of data on flora, fauna, geology, and climate. His travels weren't merely about mapping unexplored territories, they were about understanding the interconnectedness of nature. Humboldt's groundbreaking work, Cosmos, attempted to synthesize his vast knowledge into a unified understanding of the universe. He emphasized the interconnectedness of all natural phenomena, laying the foundation for the holistic perspective that characterizes modern geography. Humboldt's emphasis on empirical observation and his integrative approach to studying the natural world left an indelible mark on the development of geography. While Humboldt's legacy lies in his exploration and scientific observation, his contemporary Karl Ritter took a different, yet equally important approach to geography. Ritter, considered the co-founder of modern geography, focused on developing geography as a distinct academic discipline. He believed in a systematic study of the Earth and its phenomena, emphasizing the relationships between the physical environment and human societies. Ritter's masterpiece, Erdkunde, Geography, was a monumental work that attempted to synthesize geographical knowledge within a historical and comparative framework. He argued that geographers should go beyond simply describing places. They should analyze the interactions between humans and their environment over time. Ritter's emphasis on historical analysis and his focus on the interplay between humans and the environment were instrumental in shaping geography as a distinct and rigorous discipline. His work laid the groundwork for future generations of geographers to explore the intricate connections between people, places, and the planet. While German scholars were laying the foundations for physical geography, a distinct school of thought was emerging in France, one that placed humans at the center of geographical inquiry. The French School of Human Geography, spearheaded by Paul Vidal de la Blache, shifted the focus from the physical environment to the relationship between humans and their surroundings. Vidal de la Blache rejected the deterministic views prevalent at the time, which suggested that the environment dictated human behavior and societal development. Instead, he proposed the idea of possibilism, arguing that while the environment sets constraints, humans have the agency to adapt, modify, and choose their own paths. This emphasis on human agency marked a turning point in geographical thought. It paved the way for the development of human geography as a distinct subfield, focusing on cultural landscapes, economic activities, and the social and political organization of space. The French school's emphasis on human agency and the cultural nuances of human-environment interactions continues to resonate in geographical research today. Section 5. Vidal de la Blache, championing the idea of possibilism. Paul Vidal de la Blache's contributions to geography extend far beyond his championing of possibilism. He argued that to truly understand a region, one must study its genre de vie, or lifestyle. This concept encompassed the unique ways in which people interact with their environment, including their agricultural practices, social customs, and economic activities. Vidal de la Blache believed that each region developed a distinct genre de vie, shaped by a long and intimate relationship with its environment. This approach, deeply rooted in detailed regional studies, emphasized the diversity of human experiences across the globe. His seminal work, La Terre et l'évolution humaine, The Earth and Human Evolution, cemented his legacy as a leading figure in human geography. Vidal de la Blache's emphasis on regional differentiation, cultural landscapes, and the agency of humans in shaping their world continues to be a cornerstone of geographical thought. Section 6. The American Perspective. A focus on environmental influence. Across the Atlantic, American geographers were also making significant contributions to the burgeoning field. While influenced by both the German and French schools of thought, American geography developed its own unique character, one that initially leaned towards environmental determinism. Early American geographers like Ellsworth Huntington were influenced by the vastness and diversity of the American landscape. They were particularly interested in understanding how environmental factors, such as climate and topography, influence the development of human societies. This focus on environmental influence led to the development of concepts like environmental determinism, which suggested that the environment played a dominant role in shaping human societies and their development. While this deterministic view would later be challenged and refined, it highlighted the importance of considering environmental factors in geographical analysis. Section 7. Ellen Churchill Semple. Bridging the gap between physical and human geography. One of the most influential figures in American geography was Ellen Churchill Semple. A student of the German geographer Friedrich Ratzel, Semple was a strong advocate for environmental determinism in her early work. However, she later adopted a more nuanced view, recognizing the complex interplay between humans and their environment. Semple's work focused on bridging the gap between physical and human geography. Her book, Influences of Geographic Environment, explored how environmental factors like climate, topography, and access to resources shaped human cultures and societies. While her work embraced environmental influences, Semple also recognized the role of human agency in adapting to and modifying their surroundings. Her contributions to American geography helped to establish the discipline as a multifaceted field that considers both the physical and human dimensions of our world. Section 8. A Tapestry of Ideas. The Enduring Impact on Geographical Thought. The contributions of German, French, and American geographers in the 18th and 19th centuries were instrumental in shaping the field as we know it today. From Humboldt's expeditions to Ritter's systematic approach, from Vidal de la Blache's genre de vie to Semple's bridging of physical and human geography, these pioneers laid the foundation for modern geographical thought. Their ideas, while evolving over time, continue to resonate in contemporary geography. We see the legacy of Humboldt's holistic approach in the study of ecosystems and global environmental change. Ritter's emphasis on the interplay between humans and the environment is evident in research on sustainability and human-environment interactions. The French school's focus on human agency and regional differentiation continues to inform studies of culture, globalization, and regional development. And while environmental determinism has been tempered, the importance of understanding environmental influences remains crucial in addressing contemporary issues like climate change and resource management. Section 9. Geography Today. Addressing 21st century challenges. Modern geography, enriched by the contributions of these early pioneers, is a dynamic and evolving discipline. It tackles some of the most pressing challenges facing humanity, from climate change and urbanization to globalization and social inequality. Geographers today employ cutting-edge technologies like GIS, geographic information systems, and remote sensing to analyze spatial patterns and address complex global issues. They work in diverse fields, including urban planning, environmental conservation, public health, and disaster management, using their understanding of human-environment interactions to find solutions to real-world problems. The legacy of Humboldt, Ritter, Vidal de la Blache, Semple, and countless other geographers lives on in the work being done to create a more sustainable and equitable future. Their contributions remind us that geography is not just about knowing where things are, but about understanding why they are there and how they came to be. This understanding is more crucial than ever as we navigate the complexities of the 21st century.